Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Python series. In today's video, we will be making a port scanner using Python. So by end of this video, you will learn what ports are, what port scanning is, how Python connects to ports, and how hackers discover services. And last but not the least, we will build our own Python port scanner. And before we start, if you are learning Python for cybersecurity, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment scan down below. So, first of all, let's talk about what is a port. Think of a computer like a building. IP address can be addressed as building address, and ports can be addressed as, or you can think of it as, doors to different services. For example, port 22 in computer is used for, I'll first write like this, 22 is used for SSH and 80 is used for HTTP, 443 HTTPS, 21 FTP. If the door is open, the service is running. So now the question comes, what is port scanning? You can think of port scanning as checking which ports are open on a system. For example, Nmap, RustScan, and RustScan. And you might have used one of these already, and my guess will be that is Nmap because it is very popular. Today we build a basic Python version of Nmap. First we will import the socket module. First we will import socket module, and then we'll define a target, and that will be my other host IP. And then we print scanning, not like this, yeah, like this, scanning target. And after that, we'll create a function called scan underscore port. And then we use this line to let our program know that we are using IPv4 systems. And then comes sock stream. And sock stream is used for letting the program know that we are trying to connect using TCP. And then we set a timeout. So after each port is scanned, there's a delay in it. It can be slow, but it's safer to do so. And then s dot connect underscore ex target and port. So this line will try to connect to the target, and if result equals to 0, 0 means a successful connection. Print port comma, actually let's just use printf here, port and open. Then we close the socket. Now we'll call our function with the port 8000. So I am already running a web server on my other host on port 8000. So I am only scanning this first, so we can check if it's working or no. And when we run it, it will take some time in my system because it activates the virtual environment, and it says something. Okay, I said socket stream by mistake. It was sock stream, and it says port 8000 open now. I'll just clear the terminal and run it again. Yeah, so it is working. So now what you can do is you can create a for loop here, so you can scan multiple ports at once in range. For example, you wanna scan from port 1 to 1024. So you will use this. And to monitor the progress, you can use the print and scanning comma port, and this goes under this two, and here port 2. So now if you run it, it will take like very much time. Okay, so now it will look like this: scanning 1, scanning 2, scanning 3, 4, 5, and so on till 1024. So now our Python based port scanner is ready. And a common error demo can be, for example, if I enter a wrong IP or incomplete IP, it will say socket GAI error. And when you get this error, the possible reasons can be invalid IP, network issue, or firewall blocking. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.